Lyngngam Presbyterian College mau Ngut henne kesengi ke sau tarik guru sau kala penlong igi jing rakhe Pynkup Burom ka Nyngkong igi samla puli ki bla pendap igi jing puli lane ka first graduation day kom celebration na kabynta ki arphlai Ngut ki samla puli ki bla pendap igi jing puli na ka college ki belongru artat ki so Nyngkong jong ka college but kumju igi jing yo affiliation jong ka college na ka North Eastern Hill University kata nadu ke academic session arjar kat khandai arjar arpau hagati jinglang rakhi Pynkup Burom but lekman jong ketika college I Professor Cecily Maulong Dean of Social Science North Eastern Hill University ila longkum I Kongsan haringkat ke jingdon langru I Dr. CAR Dingdo Director College Development Council Nehu teman besan BK Lajplang Principal jong ketika college I Dr. I Mautho Principal ka Nongstoin College Reverend BK Sangpliang Reverend PR Marthong kinohikai ki samla puli bat kiwe habakran ha kejing yalang kabala penlong hapo ko hall jong ka Lyngngam Presbyterian Higher Secondary School na kalyang jong teman besan BK Lajplang principal jong ketika college ula ai kejing yaro itiki arphlai Ngut ki so Nyngkong jong ka college da ka baul ongru bakane ka sngi ke ka sngi jong phi ki arphlai Ngut bat kejing don ke jongi baro hangni kadai namar kane ka sngi bakarpang jong phi na kalyang jong Dr. CAR Dingdo haba ajing kran na kategi jingyalang ila ai kijing yaro iki bor penia jong ketika college kata nadu principal ka management bat kino hikai ki balai le stom bat kintiwi ketika college kada hadu bakalala ban sei tiki arphlai Ngut ki so Nyngkong jong ka college bada kaju ko por ila ai men semru iki tiki arphlai Ngut da ka baong bakila play ki jingkhang ba sakalawe ka bu pernai ki jong ki katba na kaliang jong I Kongsan pan haba ajing kran na kategi jingyalang ila samru iki katu kat ne ki jing ai jing mut ki ba Kongsan khamtam na kabentai ki tiki arphlai Ngut ki samla puli da ka bai lekan turu iki bikin long ki be ithu chwai la de da ka bakin yet bat pej bnia ya la de nang ta ban perkhat janai bat ban penya la ka jong ka jing em dala de hi bat ban le ru ik ai ka badai na kalyang jong I Professor Cecily Maulong bat I Dr. CAR Dingdo kila yo ru ban sami ki momentos chekiti ki arphlai Ngut ki so Nyngkong jong ka college ha ka te ka sngi la pen phu pen phing ki te ka program da ki jing roi bele sim banta da ki samla pule jong ka college
For these 3 years, you have been traveling, adorning, appearing your exams for all 6 semesters from Nongstoin College.
So, on this very beautiful day, I thank God once again and I congratulate you, the young students. At the same time, I would like to say a word of support and for each one of you. Today is the end of a chapter in your college education, in your career, in your academic career to move forward. In this manner, as you say farewell to your institution, your friends and teachers, and close the door on your college education, you also open the door to a great future ahead of you. So I wish you all the very best, that whatever you plan to do in your life, that God will guide and lead you in your steps forward to your future academic career.
I take this opportunity to share some thoughts which I believe are important. And for you graduates, perhaps the first one would be to know yourself. The first point, to know yourself. To ask yourself, who am I? Who am I? Very few of us actually dig deep, look into who we actually are. We just pass through life. What we really need is to stand, today is the day to do it, and to begin this journey of looking inside, introspect on, and ask yourself, who am I? You know, and think about it. What are your strengths, your limitations, and how you can work on them? There's a very famous saying, you are what you think. You are what you think. And earlier your friend said some, I believe. Now these are very, very important statements, phrases that you should always keep with you. I believe. And you are what you think. If you think positive thoughts, if you surround yourself with positive people, who help you grow, you will grow. If you associate with people who drag you down, who are full of negativity, you will become a pessimist. You will always see the glass half empty instead of half full. In life, attitude is very important. Attitude is everything. If you develop the right attitude, nothing is too difficult. Nothing is too difficult. The next important point is find your purpose. Find your purpose. What do you want? Ask yourself that. What do you want? It is very important to have dreams, but dreams must also be associated, accompanied by goals. It is always better if you can do something that you're passionate about, then you will excel. You can pursue excellence. And if you can combine that, what you're passionate about, and to be working or doing something that you love and you're passionate about, there's nothing quite like it. So I would really urge you to find your purpose in life. Because many times we go through life, we take up certain jobs which we're not really interested in, or pursue further studies because that's what everybody does. You need to find purpose. What is it you want? Establish that clearly. The next point I would like to share is to always be in the driver's seat. Take control of your life. Don't allow others to control your life for you. You make your own choices. Life is full of decisions. They begin with you and they'll end with you. You have to be able to seize opportunities when you get them. Opportunities come and they go. And if you're lucky enough to seize the opportunity when it presents itself, you can capitalize on it and it can take you very far. But to do that, you have to be alert. And to be alert, you have to know yourself. You have to find your purpose. You have to be there to be ready when the opportunity presents itself. So always try to be in the driver's seat of your own life.